Hello, this is Aria. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I need to book appointments for touring to Paris.
Got it. Are you looking for flights, a hotel, or a full package? And what dates are you planning for?
พูดไทยได้ไหมคะ
ได้ค่ะ พูดภาษาไทย ได้ค่ะ คุณต้องการจองอะไรคะ เต่าเครื่องบิน โรงแรม หรือแพ็กเกจพร้อมกัน และจะเดินทางไปปารีสช่วงวันไหนคะ
Comment ça va?
Oui, je parle français. Vous cherchez des vols, un hôtel ou un forfait complet pour Paris? Et vos dates de voyage, c'est quand, s'il vous plaît?
นี่ห่าวนี่ห่าว
会的，我可以用中文为您服务。您是想订机票、酒店还是整套行程？另外，计划什么时候去巴黎呢
Yeah, I think I need appointments for the Paris in next couple months for the group of 4.
？Thanks. Sounds like a trip to Paris in the next couple of months for 4 people.
What you just saw is an AI receptionist that answers calls in multiple languages. If you are running a local service-based business in the large city, consider as tourist attraction near point of entry like airports, immigration centers, or travel agencies, then you have probably noticed that a lot of customers that call to ask for service don't speak your primary language. As the result, the receptionist can communicate with the customer in Thai, Chinese, and French. On the other hand, if your business relies on multiple languages and you have limited staff or busy front desk and wait for someone to speak that specific language, the customer won't wait, they hang up. That causes lost customers and revenue and poor customer experience. And yes, you could probably hire human receptionists that speak the language of those foreign customers, but that will introduce a lot of extra costs in terms of hiring and also time consuming to train the staff. Now, if you don't know me yet, I'm Kritiya. I'm a web developer for big tech companies like Cox Automotive, Dealer.com, Frontier Communication, and New Breed Marketing. And now I'm run an AI receptionist agency, Next AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make an AI receptionist that speak multiple languages and automatically switch to whatever language the customer is speaking, so you don't have to lose customer because of the language barrier in Retell AI. If you want to work with me, click the first link in the description. Now, I already have built the AI receptionist with Retell AI. In this prompt, I already set this up to be specific that agent will speak multiple languages. So you can see that language detection and multi-language support. You are fluent in English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Russian, Portuguese, Japanese, Italian, Dutch, Thai, Chinese, Mandarin. And in the rules, it's really important that when the customer that call you or speak with you, you want that if they ask you if you can speak Thai, if you can speak French, Chinese, or another languages in their actual language, you want the AI to immediately respond to that language, not speak in English. Yes, do you want me to speak in Thai? Or yes, I can speak in French, right? Because in reality, the person do not understand in English, right? That's why they speak in their own mother language. So in the rules, it will direct language request. If the caller directly asks whether you can speak a specific language, Thai, Mandarin, Spanish, French, or any other support language, do the following. Immediately respond in that language. Confirm you can speak it. Continue the rest of the call in that language. Do not ask for confirmation first. Do not say in English. Switch it immediately. Switch it in that language that your customer speak to the AI. An example like caller, can you speak Thai? And the AI will respond immediately. ได้ค่ะ you can พูดไทยได้ค่ะ คน like speak that or in Japanese or Chinese they can speak. The AI respond in that language. Switch the language right away. Okay. The rule number 2 is struggling detection. If the caller did not ask for a language, switch language directly, but is clearly struggling in English, monitor for these signs. Collect verb tenses. For example, I go Paris last month. Now want go again. Or article minutes. Once booking hotels. Need to get to France. So basically that person is really obvious, don't know or speak in a broken English. So the AI will detect immediately. And if the AI notice 2 or more signs of this signal, pause naturally and say, yes, just to make sure I can help you better. Do you have another language you would prefer to speak in? Fluent in Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Russian, Portuguese, Japanese, Italian, French, Thai, and Mandarin. Once call confirm a language, switch immediately and stay in it for the rest of the call. And also is some conversations right here that you can paste it in your language that your business mainly use for your customer. And that's it. And for the voice, you can play around with the voice that Retell AI provides to you. You can change male or female and accents, British, Americans, Mexican for your primary language for your business, and choose the voice that based on your main business. And for the multilingual, the Retell used to have just multilingual that selection, and they can detect to any languages, but now you have to select the language that your business need to have the AI to speak. Okay, so just select the language in here and that will awesome. And this isn't about adding more feature to your AI receptionist. It's about being serious about closing more deals. The truth is your leads aren't going to learn a new language just so they can speak to you. They want someone who understands them in their native language, and this AI receptionist will do just that for you. So if you are serious about implementing a fully built custom AI receptionist that understands your customer needs, then click on the first link in the description below to book a call with me, and we can get this set up for you. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. This will help the community grow. Now, if you would like to know why your business is leaving money on the table without implementing this AI receptionist, click on this video here and I will see you there. Bye for now.